Hey, it's Dan Cunningham here at City Cadillac Buick GMC. I'm going to show you a little bit more about the airflow dump trucks that we sell with our GMC product line. Here's a quick demonstration of how the dump body works all together. So on the back here you have a tailgate that you can open up. It's pretty easy. You just throw the handle up over there and release it. It'll swing right down. You come around the side here while the truck's running. Press the button. Sets off an alarm to alert people that it's going up. But the body raises right up. And within less than 15 seconds, your load is actually unloaded for you. So it's all the way back up, extends up. Like I said, 15 seconds to open up and unload. And you can see from the outside, it's pretty much a nice vertical drop. Dump out all your items all together, and you're good to go.